Hi guys, good morning. It's Wednesday and samahan niyo ako guys on my daily routine as an admin staff at Patron Corporation. So, punta na tayo guys sa work. So, samahan niyo ako guys. Let's go guys! So, yan guys, nandito na ako sa work, and if you're asking guys, what did I do during my work is that I always check our passbook and sine-check ko lahat ng mga deposits na binibigay ng mga customers. And aside from that guys, I also take some calls from customers if there are some inquiries. So, that is actually usually na ginagawa ko everyday. So, I know some of you wondering kung ano talaga yung ginagawa ko everyday since, you know guys, nag-take lang ako ng videos and then sinasama ko lang kayo during my vlog, and you don't have any idea kung ano talaga usually na ginagawa ko. So, I'm sharing it with you guys para at least alam nyo kung anong ginagawa ng isang admin staff sa Patron Corporation. So, aside from that guys, I did some reporting. So actually guys, every end of month ginagawa yung reporting. So lahat ng mga reports na kailangan tapusin is kailangan siyang ipasa end of month kasi there is a consultant na chine-check niya yung sales namin every month. So kailangan talaga guys na accurate lahat ng mga informations and reports na ipapasa mo dun sa consultant para at least wala tayong conflict regarding on reporting. So yan, sinishare ko lang sa inyo guys para at least magkaroon kayo ng idea kung ano yung ginagawa ko everyday since sinasama ko naman kayo sa daily routine ko, at least aware na kayo, charot. So anyway guys, mag-work lang muna ako, so dyan lang muna kayo guys. So stay tuned guys. So, since it's Wednesday guys, wala naman masyadong ganap today. So, medyo busy lang sa work. And then, after work, diretso bahay na lang din ako guys. And then, yun naman talaga yung routine ko everyday. So, samahan nyo ko today kasi nga, it's second day of my exercise routine. So, actually guys, may times na nauudot siya kasi nga medyo nabibisi ako. So, yun, just bear with me guys. So, anyway guys, dyan naman na kayo and tapusin ko lang din yung work ko. So, stay tuned guys. So, yan guys, since nagutom ako, so let's take some break na muna. So, binigyan nga pala ako ng ka-workmate ko ng isang itlog. So, nilagang itlog siya guys. And yun, samahan niyo muna ako guys mag-break. So,
Ginagawa mo.
so nabusog na tayo guys. So, let's get back to work na guys. So, let's go guys.
Ginagawa mo.
So, yan guys, nandito na ako sa bahay and nagpahinga lang ako saglit and diretso na tayo exercise. So, this is actually guys my second day of exercise routine. So, samahan niyo ako guys mag-exercise. So, actually, it's just a basic exercise but at least naman mabawasan tayo ng kahit na konti. Charot. So, anyway guys, samahan niyo muna ako mag-exercise. So, let's go guys. So, yan guys, katatapos ko lang mag-exercise. So, this is my dinner. So, thank you guys for watching.